Welcome to my fitness channel, VitaFitGuide. In this video, we'll discuss the diseases which causes because of lack of vitamin C. Let's started. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin found in citrus and other fruits, berries, and vegetables. A deficiency of vitamin C can occur due to a diet low in vitamin C, which is rare in the U.S., but can be a problem in countries where people are malnourished. Symptoms of vitamin C deficiency include tiredness, weakness, irritability, weight loss, vague muscle and joint aches, and bleeding under the skin, gums, and joints. Severe deficiency can lead to scurvy, a disease caused by a serious vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is crucial to collagen production, and without it, skin, bones, gums, and teeth can suffer.